Hi! In front of me is Huawei Mate 10 Pro, and today I would like to show you how you can manage vibration settings on this device. Firstly, open Settings. Now you need to scroll down and choose Sound and Vibration. Over here, click on the switcher next to Vibrate in silent mode to enable or disable this feature. Following that, click on Phone Ringtone and enable or disable vibrations for incoming calls by tapping on the switcher next to Vibrate for SIM 1 and SIM 2. Then go back, scroll all the way down and tap on More Sound Settings. Over here you can click on the switcher next to Vibrate on Touch to enable or disable touch vibrations. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to leave a like, comment and definitely subscribe. Bye!